So this is USPS. This was our first major logistics company that we got into production in 2014, and this organization actually received a data feed where each postal carrier was given a mobile device that was emitting their breadcrumb every 1 minute. So this is actually their location of where a postal carrier is, so USPS was using a relational database, and when they got this data feed, this was a massive ingestion process that they had to that this database needed to ingest, and USPS had to resort to partitioning their data every day, 1 hour, and then every 15 minutes. And this organization, due to legacy data models that are created, couldn't query across partitions. So within a few weeks, we were able to ingest this data feed and show where a postal carrier is in real time in a small zip code of Arlington, Virginia. And then in a few months, we were able to pretty much get enough hardware and able to ingest the entire data feed, which allowed this organization to see their entire mobile workforce in real time. And then with being able to do this, this organization can correlate traffic data feeds and weather data feeds and get mail more precisely and more efficiently to delivery locations for this. So this is one of the this is probably the largest logistics company in the world. So if you take DHL, FedEx, and UPS, the amount of volume they do combined in a whole year is what USPS does in 4 hours. I would say they have over 200,000 different, their workforce is over 200,000 employees. And in turn, they have we're ingesting over 200,000 different readings every 1 minute, and proactively doing various different calculations to make their organization more efficient and also save gas and be efficient and fast in their delivery of mail. PGE, so this is probably the largest utilities company in the United States. We have various different use cases that we're a part of right now. This organization has over 10 million meters that are emitting their readings every 15 minutes. So with PGE, we're able to ingest all the different lines of businesses and have in a single instance of Kinetica their electrical distribution and transmission, gas distribution and transmission, land base and fiber, where previously this organization had to resort to stovepipe data projects where these data feeds couldn't cross-communicate. So we're enabling PGE to have a single instance, a single data warehouse that can have all their different lines of businesses. They can do cross-correlations and analysis and visualize their entire grid in real time. So this organization, with the help of Kinetica, is being more proactive rather than reactive in preventing major disasters happening. So we also have a major retailer that we're part of as well. They're getting into deep learning, and this organization is using mobile devices to, so you can imagine a consumer taking pictures of something that they would like to purchase and add it into their cart. So with the use of machine learning, we can enable them to look at the inventory of what a organization has to offer in a specific store, take account of what the quantity that's available, and then give a recommendation of, this will go well with this other thing that's in your cart. And to do this in real time, this is groundbreaking for this organization.